lovely people, welcome back to another episode of Stitches Bits Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today I want to share with you how to make the simplest African beaded necklace and earrings. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So you cut 2 long thread, fold it into 2 and make sure you have 4 ends. Divide your thread into 2 and fix your locket. Make sure it lies in the middle as seen in the video. With same divided ends, fix 1 seed bead each on both sides and pass the last seed bead through all the 4 ends as seen in the video. Fix 7 round beads through all the 4 ends. Divide the thread into 2 again and fix 1 seed bead on one side and cross with the other as seen in the video. Do same to the other part. Now with the opposite side, take 2 round beads and 1 seed bead and fix on each side and cross with the seed bead. Repeat same with the other side by taking 2 round beads and 1 seed bead, fixing them on each fish line and crossing with the small one. Note that anytime you cross with the seed beads, it gives you the opposite thread to start the other step as seen in the video. The same opposite sides, you repeat the same process by taking 3 beads, fixing the round ones on both sides and crossing with the seed bead. After crossing with the seed bead, you see the thread moves to the other end. You repeat the same process for the other side. Cross with the seed beads and the thread will move to the other end for you to start the next step. So we are going to keep repeating the same step until we have the required length for our necklace. We are almost done, and with the right process you see you have this square shaped necklace. With the ending, we do likewise the starting. So we fix 7 round beads through the 4 threads or through the 4 ends. And fix 1 seed bead as well. Divide your thread into 2 sides and fix 1 seed bead each on both ends. And fix the other side of the locket as seen in the video. So after, you can tie as many as you want, but not too thick, and use stoppers or You can pass the thread through all the beads again or all the necklace again. I prefer passing the thread through all the necklace because that one is very neat. After you see your work is neat. So after passing the thread through everything, you cut off the excess thread, and here is your beautiful, easy, handmade necklace. Now with the earrings. The earrings require the same process as the necklace. So let's get along with the earring. Materials needed for the earrings. So this time your fish line has to be smaller with 4 ends, and fix 1 seed bead and continue with the process as the necklace. You take 3 beads, 2 round beads fixed on each side and cross with the seed beads. The same process as the necklace. So let's get it. So the earrings has to be smaller, but some likes long earrings, so feel free to add your steps to make it long. Then you fix your ear hook as seen in the video. After you pass the fish line through, you pass it through everything. Then cut excess thread or fish line off. And wow, here is your beautiful, simple African beaded earring. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of my tutorials. Please share and comment. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.